Hello, my name is Jimmy, and today you join me with the 2021 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Online, there isn't a lot of resources of how well these fit into these. So, as a brand new father, and with equipment and access to cars, I want to test these out. So, this brand new series will go over how well my Clek Liing and Upper Baby Cruise, the Cruise, will fit into different cars. So let's see exactly how well the car seat fits into the back seat first. Let's take a look. All right, first let's take a look at what's available back here. I already have the seat base in, so I'm not gonna show you exactly how to put that in. That's pretty straightforward, and it is a little different depending on manufacturer. But I wanna show you, more importantly, the vehicle itself. For the 2021 Corolla Hatch here, we have two pairs of the lower seat anchors on the outboard passenger here. So you can put two seats, but not the third in the middle. I try to put three of the infant seats together and it's not gonna work. So only two seats here on the Corolla Hatch. On the back of these seats, there are three upper anchors, so you're able to still tie in the seats on those anchors where needed. Let me show you just how easy or difficult it is to put the seat in here. One thing I did notice is the door itself, it just doesn't open as wide as you may like. Some other vehicles, this door opens 90 degrees. In here, it's a little bit tighter. In the front seat, I do have to move it a little bit forward just to accommodate the seat itself. But let me show you something. Because of the roof line, it's a little difficult of a squeeze to put in the seat itself. So that's definitely something that you have to consider, when putting the child seat in. Let's take a look at the trunk and see exactly how much space there is back there. Okay. For 2021, the Corolla Hatchback is now 23 cubic feet of space. The reason for a little bit more space is they removed the spare tire. In its place, a can of Fix-A-Flat, so the load floor is a little bit lower than before. Liftover height is still a little bit taller than some may like, so if you're a little bit shorter, it may be a little bit more difficult for you to put items in and out. So let me show you exactly how well the Cruise fits into here. Diaper bag first, let's put that off to the side. There isn't any hooks in here, but there is a little, string on the top that you can hook things onto, but not super usable. So, as you can see, the stroller fits in completely off to the side here. There's plenty of space for groceries and anything else, but isn't a whole lot of space. Unfortunately, this isn't the Corolla wagon, which other places do get, but we here in North America don't. This is okay. It's definitely usable if you have one child. Any more, it's definitely going to be quite a tight fit. So definitely something to consider if the 2021 Corolla Hatchback is something that you're considering to move your family around. In any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video if you do, subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know what your thoughts are, or if you have any comments, questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.